everyone, so today's video is going to be an empties video. So I am trying to work through all of the things that I have. There was a lot of things that I had just a little bit of that I'd moved on to something else before finishing them. So that's what I'm working on. So there are more empties here now. So the first thing I'm going to start with is tea, and I might do a video about my tea collection and speak through some of the brands that I like and some of the things that I have, because I know a few of you are interested in that kind of a thing, and I really enjoy tea. So this is tea 2. It's the French Earl Grey tea. I normally use loose leaf, but lately it's just a lot more convenient to use tea bags. And these ones, this says tea bags made from plant-based sources. So with the tea bags as well, they completely break down, and I actually put them into my worm farm. So it's super simple and yeah, easy. But as far as the French Earl Grey goes, this is my favorite Earl Grey variation. Next thing is a hair mask. This is from Garnier Fructis. It's the aloe vera hair food. I use this a few ways. Oh, my neck just cracked. I don't know if you heard that. Sorry. I've used this a few ways. I use it as a leave-in, which actually I think worked better. I kind of use it as a hair mask. I'm pretty sure I filmed a video that day when I used it like that, and it just made my hair really soft. Using it as a normal conditioner, I wasn't a huge fan of it, but I think if I was to use it again, I would more use it as a leave-in conditioner. Next is a Soap and Glory product. This is Buff and Ready. This was a coconut body scrub. I prefer their Flake Away, I think it's called, the grittier, salty scrub. This was nice, but it smelled really nice. I really like the smell of this. But as far as the exfoliation, it wasn't scrubby enough for my liking. The next is another Garnier product. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Rose Water. I really liked this. I would get it again. It's just I have some other micellar waters that I needed to work through. And another Garnier product. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Wipes, and these are the sensitive skin. So these also have a nice scent to them as well. Next is a Glasshouse product. This is Midnight in Milan, which is saffron and rose. I think it's my favorite fragrance that they offer. This is the shower gel, and I already have another one of these. I really like it. Even the packaging, it's got this nice smooth plastic, but it's the feeling of it, it feels like soft, and it's just really lovely, and using it is a really nice experience as well. It's like a thick, creamy, lathering shower gel, and it's so potent as far as the smell goes, which I really like. So if you like the Midnight in Milan from Glasshouse, I would definitely recommend trying the shower gel. This is a sunscreen. This one wasn't too bad. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost 50+ gel water gel lotion. I liked this, but I'm getting rid of it because it has expired, and that's something to really pay attention to with your sunscreens, is check the expiration date, because even if you've only just opened the product, the SPF is not going to work as well if it's expired. So it's just not worth the risk of using an expired sunscreen, because it could be offering nothing. So, you know. This one is another sunscreen. It's the Cancer Council Face Day Wear Moisturizer Matte Invisible SPF 50+. I have repurchased this in larger tubes. I at first didn't think this one was breaking me out or clogging my pores, but after using it a couple of times, I did get a few breakouts. However, I don't know if it was this product or something else that I've used. But as far as sunscreens go, I liked the way that this one felt on my skin. Even though it was a matte finish, it didn't dry out my skin, but it also didn't turn into a really thick oil slick during the day. So that's why I liked that one. and I've already got it in a bigger size because I like to wear sunscreen when I'm going out. I've actually got quite a lot of tea in here, so let's go through those. So these are Twinings tea. So they're fruit infusions. This is the blackcurrant and blueberry. I really, really liked this one, but I don't think they're doing it anymore. I think sometimes they do like a limited run. Other than that, there's a few grocery stores here, like supermarkets, and sometimes they'll offer them in one but not another. So I'll check out to see if it's in the other one. The next was strawberry, raspberry and loganberry, also quite nice, just fruity. The next is lemon and ginger. It's a classic. It's, good. And the last one was ginger and apple, which probably was my least favourite of those four, but it wasn't bad. I still liked it. The next is OPI Nail Envy. There's like a tiny bit left, but I can't really get to it. It's the original Nail Envy from OPI, which I like. I enjoy using it, and will repurchase it again. I've got another version of it currently, but I think I prefer the original version. Next are some face masks. These are the L'Oreal Pure Clay masks. This is the red one, that was the blue one. The red one was exfoliate and smooth. The blue one was clears blackheads and tightens pores. I like these masks. I know they still sell some of them, but I don't know which ones they have available at the moment. I like them, but again, I've got so many things that I won't be repurchasing them at the moment anyway. A deodorant. This is the Mitchum Clinical Gel Powder Fresh. I like the Mitchum deodorants, the gel or the creams. I just like the way that they perform and their scent. A small cocoa butter, Palmer's cocoa butter moisturizer. Again, tried to moisturize a bit more, and I really like the Palmer's cocoa butter. Lanolips 101 ointment. So it's like a lanolin based ointment. I really like the Lanolips line with lanolin in it. So yeah, I would purchase it again. What else have we got? I've got a soap that I have used up. This is from Bubble Mama Soaps. This was the Lemon Myrtle. I really like Lemon Myrtle, actually so does my dad. So I've already got a whole heap of soap left, and when I go through it I would definitely repurchase from her. A candle. This is a Woodwick candle, and this is Bakery Cupcake, which is amazing, and now I'm really hungry. But yeah, this one's really nice as far as bakery scents go. The thing with the Woodwick candles is that they do make a crackle sound. So if you're not into that, you wouldn't like their candles. The Body Shop Shea Shower Cream, tongue twister again. I really love the way the Shea range smells from the Body Shop. It's, I think, my favourite scent that they offer. As far as body wash goes, it performed pretty well. The scent doesn't hang around for very long though, which I would like it if it did, only because I really like the way that it smells. Next was just some cotton makeup pads, which I just buy realistically whatever is the cheapest and on sale, as long as they don't pill. There's some where they have more like loose cotton, those ones don't, so I like those. I've used up some things from the advent calendar that I got for my birthday in November, and opened it throughout December. But this is from L'Occitane, and this is the Fleurs de Cerise Cherry Blossom Hand Cream, which I really liked. I like the way that it smells. I've actually got a perfume in the same range, I think you could call it. I've got a whole heap of mascaras. because I was just going through the ones that either didn't have a date on it or I'd known that they'd been used for more than 3 months. Or some of them I just found in there and I wasn't sure if I'd opened them yet, so I'm getting rid of them. The first is an Urban Decay Perversion Mascara, and to be honest, I can't remember what I thought about most of these. This is the Tartest Lash Paint. I know I didn't really like that anyway. The next is a Colossal Volume from Maybelline. Generally the Maybelline ones are pretty decent. There's another one here, which is the 1x1 Volume Express. And most of the time the Maybelline or CoverGirl mascaras are pretty decent. This was one that wasn't bad. It was from Rimmel, the Lash Accelerator Endless Lash Grow Lash Complex. It's a fiber mascara. I didn't mind this one, but I just couldn't remember how long ago I'd opened it, so I'm getting rid of it. And this is from Stila. It's the Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, which was fairly ordinary. Then there is an Australis Clear Brow Gel, which I'm not really using brow gels at the moment, like clear. I would use the coloured kind of brow gels because my eyebrows are very, very pale. So I kind of need a little bit of colour in my brow gel. And there's just so many options for coloured and tinted brow gels these days. So I just go with those. Next is a Clearasil Acne Treatment Cream Extra Strength. Yeah, I still get pimples. I've got one here at the moment and it's huge and it hurts, but it's just the way that it goes. But yeah, generally I just go for different things, try different things, see what works. I find generally things with salicylic acid tend to work better, but this is a benzoyl peroxide type of product, so just be careful when you're using it because it can bleach fabrics. So maybe get a small face washer to dry your face or something if you are going to be using things like that, or with benzoyl peroxide. The next are 2 more things from the Advent Calendar from L'Occitane, and they are the shampoo and conditioner set. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's the Amande. I think it's like an almond type shampoo and conditioner. A press shampooing and shampoo. So it's like a shampoo conditioner or a cleansing conditioner and a shampoo. I really liked these, which I looked at the full size and I'm like, oh, it's very expensive. But the way that my hair felt when I used these, it was so soft. But sometimes because I've let my hair dry naturally overnight last night, and this is kind of what it does. I brushed it out when it was still a little wet, so it kind of draws down the curls. It is normally a little bit more wavy than this, but with my hair sometimes soft means fluffy as well. So there's a fine line between liking it because it's soft and then it becomes a bit too fluffy. So it's not too bad at the moment, but yeah, if I plan on straightening it, that's where things like this really, really work well, because it just makes my hair really shiny and soft and smooth. And I would consider buying full sizes of these, just it's not something I would do at the moment. I've got a lot of other things to try and they are quite pricey. Next are one sample and a few other things. The L'Oreal Revitalift Laser Pressed Cream Night Retinol. I liked this. It wasn't too bad. I think at the moment some of the like drugstore or grocery store type brands are offering some really good options. I'm using a Neutrogena retinol oil at the moment and it's been working really nicely. So instead of splashing out a lot of money for other products, I'm trying to find alternatives that are a little more affordable that still work really well. And yeah, those have been working quite well at the moment. L'Oreal's also been doing some really good stuff as far as the Revitalift and retinol based products. So I liked that. It's just I've got other stuff. Some more T2 teas. This is the pumping pomegranate tea, which was fine, and strawberries and cream, which I own a bigger size of. I really, really enjoy the strawberries and cream from them. And the last things that I've used are the Biore pore packs, 2 face strips and a nose strip. The face strips you can put wherever, and sometimes I just use them around my chin or the cheek area because I get blackheads, so that helps. And I know not everybody likes them, but occasionally when I do use them, I like to use them because they work on my skin. So that's it. So there's quite a lot of stuff down here that I've gone through. Yeah, most of it I liked. Some of it not worth purchasing again though. But yeah, if you've tried any of them, please let me know what you thought. If you've got any questions, leave them below as well. But that's it for now. I hope you're all having a fantastic afternoon, morning or evening, whatever it may be, wherever you are, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now.